Alright people, so last week we showed you 24 hours in Lisbon on one district. Now this time around we're going to be showing you part 2 to the 24 hours in a completely different district. Now we're going to start today with the Benfica football stadium tour. Let's go check it out. Alright people, so we just finished the football stadium tour at Benfica. Now honestly, I really like this tour. It was a bit shorter compared to all the other tours that I've been on, but they kept it plain and simple and straight to the point. Now the highlight of it was definitely the mascot eagles. They have 3 different eagles on the pitch, like real eagles. I've never seen eagles in my life, and to see it at a football stadium is something completely different. Now not only can you visit the tour as well, but there's also a museum here. They've also got like a media mart. There's like a place for younger people to play football, and this area is actually really big. There's so much to do around here, so I highly recommend checking this place out. Onwards to the next location.
So we are at our next spot of the day, and honestly this caught all of us a bit by surprise. So we are at Jeronimos Monastery, okay? I've said that right. If I don't laugh, always laughing at me. Anyway, now it's split into 2 parts. So you've got the monastery and you've got the church itself. Now the church is free to access, but the monastery you have to pay for, and there is quite a long queue. So if you've got other things planned, please make substantial time for this. But the reason why it's so well known is because it's known for its prominent style of late Gothic architecture, and when you see the B-roll you'll know why. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I mean, construction started in the 16th century and they've been able to preserve it for that long. It's mind-boggling, man. You've got to come check this place out, man.
Alright, so after you visited the Jeronimos Monastery, or as Shaq would call it, Jeremiah Monastery, there is a pineapple store, like a store right opposite the actual monastery itself, and they actually serve pineapple and orange, or if you want a little bit of spice in it, you can add a bit of spice if you know what I mean. So we've got pineapple and orange. Let's just taste this out. Bruh. I think it's just because it's in the pineapple as well. Yeah, so it adds a little bit of spice in there, so it is actually amazing. So quick recommendation, onwards to the next spot.
Kezzy on the beat.
All right, guys, so up next, we're here in Belem Tower. Now, let's get the history out of the way. History lesson is in session, all right? So back in the day, in the early 18th century, it was used for actually one of two purposes. One, to protect Lisbon from incoming attacks. And number two, it was almost used as a ceremonial gateway for people that disembark and embark from Lisbon via boats to go elsewhere. In the modern day era, it's just for views and vibes. If you like to appreciate architecture, it's an amazing place to come to. Actually, aside from that, it actually provides an amazing view of the 25 de Abril bridge that also kind of sees the other side of Lisbon. So if you like views, vibes, architecture, I don't know a better place to come to. Let's go.
Alright everyone, so next activity, we are here at LX Factory now. First of all, there's a couple things you can do here. There's gaming activities you can play, such as like axe throwing. There's restaurants you can eat at, bars you can drink at. They have a rooftop bar here. They have a hostel here where you can sleep the night. And this place is giving me that Camden, Shoreditch kind of vibes. Like everybody's chill. There's like street art, and yeah, it's what TMA is about. They've got parking here as well for people that want to drive in and stuff, so definitely come check this place out. Highly recommended.
All right, guys, that's going to be it for today, and that's going to be it for Lisbon. All right, so we're going to get back on the road to a brand new location. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and smash the notification bell, and comment down below on what other videos you'd love to see, and we will make it happen. You know what time it is. 3Man Abroad out, and peace.